My name is Eric France. I'm a doctor. I work for Kaiser Permanente as the Chief of Prevention. My job is to keep people healthy by making it easy for them to get their screenings, take care of their diseases, and learn new health behaviors so that they live long and healthy lives. I am passionate about making the healthy choice the easy choice. In my clinical work, it's about making cancer screenings easily available with walk-in mammograms or drive-through flu shots. But as I've gone forward, I've recognized there are more basic issues like getting physical activity and eating a healthy diet. And there's only so much you can do in the clinical exam room with a physician to focus on that. Kaiser Permanente is engaging in a conversation with our communities, our city leaders, about how do we transform the way we build cities so they naturally encourage people to take short trips by foot, by bicycle, by transit, something that gets us all to move more, which has an impact on improving our health. The City of Denver 2 years ago began a Living Streets initiative, and I was asked by the mayor to sit on the task force. In that role, I now co-chair the Living Streets initiative, which is a citizen task force providing information and feedback to the city in their Living Streets work. So it's important in my own family not only to walk the talk, but ride the talk. I'm happy that my two children, who are 13 and 16, have adopted the habit of riding their bicycles to school. I have to model that same behavior, so probably 3 times a week I ride my bike to work. My first decision of the day, should I drive my car to work or should I ride my bike? My car is very comfortable, takes me about 10 to 15 minutes. With my bicycle, I take about 30 minutes. It is a gorgeous day outside, and I have time this morning for a bike ride. I think I'll ride my bike. Kaiser Permanente is the presenting sponsor for the new bike sharing program in downtown Denver called the Denver B-Cycle. This is a system whereby there are 50 stations across the downtown area, 500 bicycles, and for a small fee, membership fee, we can use these bicycles. So if you work downtown or you're taking a trip downtown, it's a nice convenient way of leaving the car at home. To be honest, there's a part of me that's hoping that I can be a bit of a revolutionary here. We live a life that's really driven by cars, but there's a whole different way, which can involve taking trips with my bicycle, taking transit, walking places. It's not what our culture has produced. And to change the city so that when I retire in 20 years, it's easy for me to get around in ways other than my car, by bike and by walking, that's my hope.